Let's look at this question here. We're going to evaluate the integral of 4x plus 5 under the root with respect to x. Now, when you look at it, you should be there to think, which method am I going to use? Which one is suitable for this type of work? Well, we can actually apply the use substitution. It will be better for us, or substitution method. So, all what you do is that just let what is under the root, all right, this be equal to u. In short, u is 4x plus 5. Then from there, define the derivative. You get 4 dx. Then make it x sub to the formula. You get du over 4. And this is exactly what we need to get the place there. So now we go back to our integral. Integration of this becomes u multiplied by dx. Dx is now du over 4. And this is just 1 over 4, so we can take it out. So this becomes 1 over 4 integral of root of u with respect to u. And of course, we understand to say this is just 1 over 4, the integral of, this is u to the power half with respect to u. And by now, you know that when you're integrating, the power increases by 1, and then you divide by the same new power. This becomes 1 over 4, then that becomes u to the power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. All right. Of course, we say plus c. And then you proceed. This will be 1 over 4. 1 over 4, in brackets. What is u? U is 4x plus 5. Then this is actually raised to the power 3 over 2. And over 3 over 2 plus c. Let's just now just simplify it. So this can go up. This will be 1 over 4. Then we have 3 multiplied by 4x plus 5. 2, yeah, plus 5. Then 3 over 2, then over 2. Everything is under the root, is it? Yes, 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 yes. Then plus c. This is 3. 4 and 3 multiply, what do you get? 12. Then there's 1 there, so we get 2. X plus 5. 3 over 2 over 12 plus c. And now the final answer comes to 1 over 6 multiplied by, now this is just the root. Sure, this is just the root. Now you cube it, so this becomes the root of 4x plus 5, then to the power 3 plus c. This is what it means.